Your senior brother, because I've tried calling him, but I noticed that even your brother Baraka. This fight your brother now bring between Mmirienweilo and your brother advice. Mmirienweilo have vowed to deal with your brother. And don't wait for one of your brother. I'm talking to you again. Make I buy. Because this your brother for a very long time since this guy can be any advice. Go to Tarifa. Up till now, your brother no one using well. Or go your brother now bring it. I regret fighting for him when I arrest. No matter everybody says up back on no call. Mandija for vice deputy governor. So ndani just say jama information up fashion you now just problem I bring between because of panel. So far IG of the police be aware zone 13 because right man Mmirienweilo di farm. So far na abo waka no troll. Obodo so Okongwu na so far na Nigeria e declare wanted I put in a station. And e put in a station before una hear so pass men the content creators.
Okay. Wagaji. This is a voice note that you sent to one of somebody that I know, which is I will not mention his name. You send this voice note to her. You send this voice note to somebody. And somebody send it to me. I would have replied you on WhatsApp, but due to the voice and the number, no need a reply by my WhatsApp. But there is something I want to tell you, Wagaji. I appreciate so much. Are you getting me? I appreciate. Are you getting me? And which is that time at the Roma is not good. In the eyes of God, in the eyes of law, I fail it. Guinea me ezi kukubu a false information about Emeka and the deputy governor of Anambra State. Me, as a fool that I am, I did not verify. I went ahead and reposted the video. And which is not good. That the deputy governor of Anambra State which is totally wrong. I accepted for that one. Any punishment for that time, I deserve it. Which is I later made an apology video and I apologized to them. Romia. Even if you work no wabona, work ama hebo si we dabada. Nya Mmirienweilo oyamwebo ye bido we mwabia. I failed it woefully. So they did not do the wrong thing by calling me in order because they call me in order. Are you getting me? So I call me in order. Made the video, which is true. Now let's rewind to the reason why. You about this voice note. About this voice note because of Mmirienweilo about this video that he made.
Your wife went outside and they sleep with another man. It's not something regarded as abomination in the culture. It's something that the spirit dislike, and you dislike it.
Yeah, Maria. Never kuna the video. Gene kone kuna the video say that na obuna your wife for one ilo that na ani Igbo na obulalo like if you marry tomorrow and your wife cheat outside. That in Igbo tradition and culture, that is not an abomination. That the woman did what her spirit led her to do, and the man don't want her spirit. This woman don't go to studio, but you people can rewind and watch the video. And then, as a citizen of Nigeria and a member of tradition and culture, I have the right to countermode. This is just like an argument where people are arguing. This thing, do you do it like this or you do not do it like this? I have the right to countermode that thing he said. Because he said it and posted it on social media for everybody to watch. So just imagine that if my wife is sitting by my side and watch that kind of video, he will, in her sense, he will see, okay, so if I cheat on you, it's not a tradition. But I have already tell her that it's an abomination in our own tradition for her not to cheat on me. You will now come and discourage my wife and tell her that cheating on me is not an abomination. Then if by mistake I travel to Molo, because I'm a traveler, to go and hustle for what I will feed my family, you have already tell her, brainwash her, that cheating outside is not an abomination. It's just that my spirit don't like it. But if her spirit permit it, let her do it. She will now go and cheat outside. Then if somebody come on social media and say something like that, and I come out and countermote it, or somebody come out and countermote it, that is the thing I did wrong. I'm now a bad person, I be. I blame Muhangi. Maybe you are saying that Mmirienweilo is a close friend to AIG, I be PG. If Mmirienweilo like, let him know Tinubu. Abomination is an abomination, whether you like it or not. And when you speak it and post it on social media to deceive my wife, to be cheating on me outside, she will now believe you that if she cheat on me outside and cook for me, that I will die. You will now come and deceive her to go outside and cheat on me. She will watch it. Lie. I will not allow that to happen. You cannot deceive her. I don't know for others, so yes, see, for some of you that is supporting him, if what he said is good by you, take it, but it's not good by me. You are deceiving my wife. Before you talk on social media and post, know that people's wife are watching, including my own. So I cannot stand and watch you tell my wife that cheating on me outside is not an abomination. Meanwhile, I have already told her that if she do so, it's an abomination in our own land. Who does that? I'm a nigga now support here. I'm an every end of the year. I'm a one. Paul show so ego GMA festival. Agbalo no ego Nigeria so na agbu na ego ofuma ife obu na okwu ga support your guy but okwu nke dị njọ gwa ya na okwu nke dị njọ akwa ese na afa bụ wagaji ezigbote nwa agba abaga na kala aja ahụ kala aja ahụ rukwazi na nke ka akwazi ahụ itubi egwu zebia nke gịnị oputa online on public space where youth you will spit out a banbaticon in your mouth to deceive and scatter my home, and you will expect me to keep quiet? Is that the kind of Nigeria we are trying to be? I don't understand. If he like not only AI, if you want to know the whole PG where they are Anambra, does even the AIG knows the truth. AIG can never stand and watch his own wife cheat on him. PG can never stand and watch his own wife cheat on him and call it a normal thing. No, they know that I'm saying the truth. Nobody in life that he's thinking on his normal senses will allow his wife to go outside and cheat and call it a normal thing. That is what you are advising the youth to indulge in. Then if I come out and say that what you are saying is not okay, you will say that I should remind myself that if I enter another trouble, that you are not going to come out. Don't come out. Aputana. Aputana. Thank you very much. Aputana. Gangwa support Obania. Ona ma ha kwelu Mmirienweilo. Okwugo nke okwu na nwaanyị bịa n'ụlọ. Ịlọ ọgọ nwaanyị na ọbụla alụ. Unu adopt ya. Kịta ọ pụtakwa na kwu ọzọ. Sị na nwunye gị gbaa n'ilo. Na ndị Igbo ada afụta ya alụ. Who told you? Na ndị Igbo ada afụta ya alụ. Who told you that? Well, I will even make more video about this. I'm coming.